Okay, so let's start today's class. First, I will ask some question to you based on the previous class. My first question is, what is the point? Reply. What is the point? Anybody reply? Anybody remember? We discussed in previous class. My next question is, what is a line? What is a line? Anybody who know about, please reply. It is both are different, line and line segment. The length of line is not fixed because it don't have any starting point and don't have any ending point. While the length of the line segment is fixed, it also have both have 2 points. It also have a starting point and also a start ending point. We can say the line segment is a part of a line. Yeah, correct answer, Anjali. It extends indefinitely in both of the direction. My next question is, what is a ray? What is ray? Anyone? Ray is a portion of line. It has one starting point but doesn't have any ending point. Okay, so in the one ends we mark a point, mark a starting point, but on the other side we will mark an arrow. It indicates this will extend in the other side a lot of length. My next question, what are parallel lines? What are parallel lines? Anyone give me example of parallel lines? Very good, Ganesh. Parallel lines which are always the same. If two lines do not intersect to each other, do not touches any point, these type of lines are parallel lines. We can also say if two lines does not have any common point, they will be called as parallel lines. And parallel lines is the opposite of the intersecting lines. So what are intersecting lines? What are intersecting lines? How can you define that two lines are intersecting lines? Yeah, correct answer. If two lines will meet or intersect at a point, these type of lines will be called as intersecting lines. We can also say if two lines having at least one common point, then these type of lines will be called as intersecting lines. So today we will continue the exercise 4.1 from question number 2, page number 74. Question number 2. In this question, one diagram of a line is given. I am drawing the line. There are 4 points on the line A, B, C, and D. Okay? We have to name the line given in all possible 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. So from this line, we have to write the all possible 12 names of line segments by selecting or taking any 2 letters any one time, and any from the direction from left side or the right side. Okay, so first we will start from A. AB. Next we can write AC. Next we can write AD. Okay, we have to select any 2 letters, okay, but in a proper order. Next B, BC. Next BD. The next is CD. We should not repeat any one of the letters. Okay, हमें ये चेक करना है कि हम एक ही लाइन को, एक ही लेटर्स को जो हम ऑलरेडी नोट कर चुके हैं हम उसे रिपीट नहीं करें. So count these lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got the name of 6 lines. Now we write the name from the left side. Now we need to write the names from the right side. So all of you write the name of the lines from the right side. Yeah, correct answer. Very good, Pratiksha. Okay, same to same, we can write the name of line from the right side. X solutions reply. Very good. First BC, next DB, next DA. Okay, now D हो गया, then आता C, CB, next CA, C हो गया, next B, BA. Okay, so we completed the name of all 12 lines in this figure. Let's continue. Question number 3. One diagram is given. I am drawing. Okay. In this figure, there are 3 lines. This first line, 4 points marked A, B, D, and E. Now this is the second line, C, B, O. This is the third line, F and E. So observe the diagram. Based on the diagram, we have to write the name of some points, some lines. First point A. Line containing point E. So all of you give the name of the line which containing point E. उस लाइन में जिसमें पॉइंट E है. Please reply. Observe the diagram and give the line which contains point E. Yeah, very good. There are many lines AE, BE, DE, FE, but we have to write the name of any one. So I am writing EF. Okay. Next, point B, line passing through A. Name of the line which passing through point A. Again, there are many answers. You have to write the any one. Name of which line which is passing through point A. So there is AB, AD, and AE. We can write any one of the name. So I got AB. Okay. Next, line on which O lies. We have to write the name of which line on that point O lies. Can you reply? Yeah. Vivek, this is very simple. First, we have to be simply observe the figure diagram, and based on this, we have to find out the required name. Okay. Now, this third point C. We have to write the name which line containing point O. So first O देखिए, point O कहाँ पर है? इस लाइन का है. O इस लाइन का है. बस हमें इस लाइन का ओनली नेम नोट करना है. ओके. अब नेम के लिए सर नेम कैसे लिखना है? आप उस लाइन पर किसी भी लेटर्स का नाम दे दीजिए. O के अलावा कौन है इस पर? B है और C है. आप किसी भी लेटर्स को नाम दे दीजिए. दैट इज द आंसर. I got BO. BO. Okay. BO is the correct answer. BO or CO. There are two answers. Next, D. Two pairs of intersecting lines. As I recently discussed, what are the intersecting lines? So from this figure, you need to reply what are the two intersecting lines. Which lines are intersected? Reply. Okay. First, I am telling you. First, AE and AB and CO. Observe AD, this is a line, and CO, this is a line. Both are intersected at point B. So first pair is AD and CO. And you multiply the second pair. And you multiply the second pair of intersecting lines. Second. Here AB, AD, AE, all is correct. But we have to write the name of any one. This is the first pair. Now this is the second pair. They are also intersecting lines. So what is the name? EF and DE. Okay. So these are our answers. Correct answer, Vivek. Very good.
BC, sir.
Samarth, mute yourself. Samarth 6B. Samarth, mute yourself. Okay, let's continue. The question number 4, I gave to you as homework, but only some students solve this question. The question is, how many lines can pass through one given point and two given points? I think only Prashant sent me the homework. Nobody complete this. In only one point, we can draw only one line. Sorry, from one point we can draw many of the lines, countless. And from two given points, we can draw only one line, not more than one line from 2 points. From one point, we can draw infinitely many lines. So we come to the question number 5. In fifth question, there is not given any diagram or figure. We have to draw the diagram based on the question, according to the question. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. First, A. Point P lies on line AB. Okay, so we have to write a line AB such that point P lies on AB. First, draw line AB. This is A and this is B. Sorry, this is the line segment. Okay, I draw the line segment AB. Now we have to mark the point P on this line segment. So you can mark anywhere P on this line. You can mark here, you can mark here, anywhere you can mark the point like this. This is not fixed. Okay. Next, B, XY line and PQ intersecting at O. Two lines are intersecting at a point M. So first draw XY. Okay, any. Next, name the region XY. Next, PQ. Now the intersection point is M. So the name of this point is M. This is complete. Next, C. Line L contains E and F but not D. There is a line, the name is L. Small l. So draw a line L. Now point E and F are lying on this line. So anywhere we can mark the point E and F. Now there is one more point also, point D. But D is not lying on this line. So it means हम D को कहीं पर भी उस लाइन के आसपास हम मार्क कर सकते हैं, बट उस लाइन पर हमें नहीं करना है. तो I mark here. That is the D. That is the point D, but not lying on this line. Yeah, correct answer, Anjali. The next is OP and OQ meet at O. There are two lines, OP and OQ. They are meeting at a point O. Okay? They are lying. So this is P and this is O. This is OP line and one more line OQ. So this is OQ. Now see, line OP and OQ are meeting at a point O. This diagram is also complete. So up to this question, if anybody doubt, kindly ask me. Anybody else? Geometry is a very simple, because in this geometry we need not any calculation, addition, multiply, subtraction. We just only draw the diagrams. Sneha, what is your doubt in question number 5? Sneha, Sneha, what is your doubt in question number 5? Just we have to draw the required diagram according to the points. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so the question number 6, you have to be write only the true false. Okay, so this question you have to try to solve as number. Okay, based on the sentence and the figure, you have to be marked only which is true and which is false. I hope you will, all of you will complete this question. Question number 6. Okay. So this exercise is complete. Now we are going to discuss the next topic of this chapter. Very important topic. Curve. The next topic is curve. Now, what is a curve? If from our pencil or pen or chalk piece, if we draw any diagram without lifting the point or pen or pencil like this, okay, any type of drawing or diagram, okay, like this. So these all are the examples of curve. One more diagram. Okay, so based on this, we can define the curve. Curves means if we can draw the some figures without lifting the pen in any orders, all these drawings will be called as curve. Okay, and simple line, it is also curve. Okay, now we discuss what are the types of curve. Now there are three types of curves. The first type is simple curve. Simple curve. In this figure, observe if the curve does not intersect to itself. This type of curve is called as simple curve. You see this and this, okay, are not intersecting itself. So these are the simple curve. Why? This is intersecting itself at this point. This is also intersecting. This is also intersecting. Okay, and this is a simple curve. So which curve which do not intersect to itself, these type of curves will be called as a simple curve. We can draw some diagram of simple curve. Okay. These are some examples of simple curve. Next, the second type, closed curve. What are the closed curve? Closed means if it is clear by its name, that is the totally closed. If the two endpoints of any curve are joined to each other, this type of curve will be called as the closed curve. जिसके टू एंड पॉइंट्स ज्वाइन है। दिस आइटम में देखिए, इन दिस फिगर द एंड पॉइंट्स आर जॉइंड टू ईच अदर, सो दिस इज अ क्लोज कर्व, ओके, लाइक दिस, like this, like this. All these are a closed curve. Why this is and this is not closed? Because the end points of these curves are not joined to each other. This is closed, this is closed, this is closed, and this is closed. Okay. Now what is the third type? Open curve. Next is open. Open curve is the opposite of the closed, when the end points of any curve does not join. This type of curve will be called as a open curve. And this is the open curve. This is also open. We can mark some other figure also. Okay. These are some examples of open curve. We can draw many more examples. Okay. Next and last point in today's class, polygons. Next is polygons. This is very important. What are polygons? The closed curve which are made of entirely line segments. ऐसे कर्व जो कि क्लोज भी है, बट वो किससे बने हैं? ओनली लाइन सेगमेंट से, नॉट द कर्व से। अगेन कर्व और लाइन क्या होता है? मींस दिस इज अ कर्व एंड दिस इज अ लाइन। देन व्हाट आर पॉलीगन? जो कि सिर्फ क्लोज भी है, लाइन सेगमेंट है ओनली, लाइक दिस। This is a polygon because this is closed and this is entirely made of the line segments. One more example. This is also polygon. It made up of entirely line segments and also it is a closed. Okay. Anybody reply? This is a polygon or not? This is the third diagram.
Yes, sir.
Please comment only. The third diagram. This is polygon or not? Yes, very good.
No, sir.
The base. This is not a line. If this will be a polygon. But it contains only curved line, so this is not a polygon. So this was the last topic in today's class.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Write in your notebook also curve, the types of curve and polygons.
No, sir. Bye,
In the
sir.
next class, we will ask you questions based on this.
Bye, sir. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.